Warm greetings, healthcare warriors. Today, I, your host, Dr. Pietro Aparicio, welcome you to the 72 Dragons Health Channel. Today's topic, World Health Organization's Emergency Response Framework, Strategic Risk Assessment for Pandemics. Features insights into the adaptable guidelines for emergency responses. Let me take you back when countries first started imposing travel restrictions during the COVID-19 pandemic. So, how did the countries navigate what to do next? The World Health Organization's Emergency Response Framework supervised these emergency responses based on strategic risk assessment of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Emergency Response Framework is a critical public health tool that provides essential guidance for World Health Organization staff on assessing, grading, and responding to public health emergencies. It adopts an all-hazards approach, providing a standardized grading system to categorize public health emergencies based on their severity. The Emergency Response Framework also includes the Incident Management System, a standardized approach to managing emergencies involving leadership, partner coordination, information and planning, and logistics support. Additionally, it enhances accountability, enabling member states to strengthen their healthcare systems and improve the agility of their emergency responses during disease outbreaks. But what if I tell you that the elements of the Emergency Response Framework aligned with the World Health Assembly's goals? Let us take a look at it. The Emergency Response Framework supports the World Health Assembly's goals to enhance pandemic preparedness and response through initiatives such as the proposed Pandemic Prevention, Preparedness and Response Accord. The framework also provides a structured approach to emergency management and aligns with the international health regulations, ensuring equitable access to vaccines and medicines globally. So, the next time someone mentions emergency response efforts by the World Health Organization, show them this video. If you found this video informative, please do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, and visit our playlist for more health-related videos. Thanks for watching.